Namaste and welcome to my channel. र आजको भिडियोमा म तपाईहरुलाई आफ्नो YouTube को लागि इन्ट्रो कसरी बनाउने भन्नेमा एउटा भिडियो बनाउँदै छु. So let's get started. So first of all, we are going in Google and we're going to search for panzoid.com. So we are in the website, so we're gonna click in any intro you like. So I'm gonna scroll down for awesome intros. So here we are in this project and it's still loading. It's taking a long time. So here we are. So I'm gonna click in this eye icon so to see the intro properly. I think okay, it has only 4 letters, so I think it will be little hard, so I'm gonna use another project. So we're going on project, we're going on project, a new project. So I'm gonna scroll down to search for a new project. So I'm gonna take this Panzoid. So here we are in the next project. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to object. Now what you have to do is we have to search for the group, not group, like this text, and rename it as, okay, I'm going to rename it as my name and hit the intro. Now search if there are other text groups, so let's see. View this project. So here we are.
I just had to let you know you're
It's been lagged because I was recording it, so it won't be lagged if you download it. So thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like and share this video. Thank you. Jai Nepal.